Before we get into the video, we have one very serious question to ask you. Did you know that you can earn money through the Google Chrome browser? Our method for today is simple and easy. You don't need any skills or experience whatsoever. Here's how much you can earn from today's method. If you browse one website, you can earn $5 to $10. When you browse 5 websites, you can earn $25 to $50. And when you browse 10 websites, you can earn $50 to $500. This is an insane earning potential. This method is completely free. You don't need to make any investments or any cash advancements, and this method is worldwide available too. No matter what country you're from, you can join in on today's method. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now remember that this method is completely free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone to comment on what country you're from so that we can make more videos based on your guys' countries. So our website for today is called Furpection.com. For this website, you're going to have to watch our full demonstration on how to sign up and get this website working, or else you won't earn your $900. So make sure that you stay tuned and listen and watch very carefully so that you can earn the same way that we are. Now once you're on the main website, you can see this button on the upper right, Become a Tester. We want you to click on that. And once you clicked on that, you should be redirected to this webpage right here. And as you can see, it says, Work online. Become a tester and give your opinion on sites and mobile applications. Now this website is going to actually pay you just for your opinion or feedback on different websites. So how does testing from home work? First, explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. Next, send positive and negative feedback from your sofa. And lastly, once your feedback is reviewed by our moderators, you're done. So if you didn't notice, you can easily do this just on your phone or even a tablet. You don't even need a laptop or PC for this method. Plus, it won't matter if you're an Android or iOS user. This method is very much available to you, which makes it 10 times better. Before we continue, we want you to comment down below what type of phone you're using. Are you an iOS user or an Android user? Let us know so that we can make more videos that will be more useful to you. Now that you know what this website is and how it works, you're going to have to listen to this next part even more carefully, because here is where we are going to be showing you the live steps that you will need to follow and that you need to know before actually going on this website and just guessing your way through. If you look over here, it says, what is feedback? Feedback is a screenshot, sometimes a video screencast, along with a clear description. You can report positive and negative elements. I would have liked the connection button to be more prominent. I couldn't find it. That is an example of feedback, and that is what's going to be your job. That is what is going to be expected of you. We are going to show you how this is done in a few moments. The importance of staying until the end of this video is that we are going to be showing you what mistakes to avoid, and you will only be able to know about this towards the end of this video. So obviously, you're going to want to sign up like we mentioned, right? And then once you've logged into your account, you're going to find the different missions that you can join in on. You can join through your desktop or your mobile phone. If you are using your mobile phone, then you can just choose this mission to do, right? And again, if you're using a desktop, then you can just choose these ones right here that are related to desktop. So, let's say you choose one for the desktop. Then all you have to do is select and click on the Read the Brief button. As you can see here, they're going to be giving you a brief introduction just to explain to you what the mission you chose is all about. As you can see, it says, discover IKEA's website from your computer. Your feedback will help the IKEA's team improve the user experience that they offer. Then they proceed to provide the steps. So step 1, first impressions. Step 2, product search. Step 3, product information. Step 4, order. And then overall impression as the last step. So that's basically your job. That's what you need to do in order to get paid. When you're ready, just click on the Start the Mission to start the mission. Once you click on the button, you will be met by a reminder that is very crucial, so make sure that you pay close attention and read along. There are people who go on this website and then leave empty-handed, and the reason for that is because they don't read the reminders that are very important, because most of the time, these are the common mistakes being committed. First, you need to remember to write in complete sentences, okay? Complete sentences. Then, you need to make sure that a feedback must contain only one idea, so that it'll be clear. Then, you should provide at least one idea per step, okay? Not 2, not 3, but 1. Now, report at least 2 problems, okay? And then one of those you need to mark as important, okay? Keep these in mind. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now you should be on this page right here, wherein you'll find the instructions to follow and everything else. So visit the IKEA website, take some time to discover and give your first impressions. This link over here should be the link that you go to, that should be the IKEA website. So all you need to do is simply click on that link to get to the website. This is where that link should lead you to. So the proof that you're going to show them is a screenshot, right? So make sure that whatever it is that you're using, you take a screenshot to show them evidence that you actually went on the website to check it out, like they have asked and like you are tasked to do. Once you've secured your screenshot, all you need to do is go back to Perfection and then upload your screenshot by clicking on Add a Screenshot, and then you upload the image and then just click on the green upload button once it's all ready. Once you've uploaded a screenshot, you can always change it into your liking if you decide to, but if you don't, then you can leave it as it is. Now you're going to have to give your opinion on this part, right? So for us, it's a problem, and then just choose if you have a problem or a compliment as a feedback, and then create a title, whatever you like, and then go ahead and provide your whole feedback description. Now again, don't forget that this needs to be in complete sentences to avoid problems. Remember that you need to mark one as important, so if whatever it is you choose to mark important, just click on this button right here, and once you've completed all that, all you need to do is move on to the next step. So now this is what you will see. You will be informed that your feedback has been sent successfully and that you will create a new one. Next step or task is to go on the website again and search for a specific piece of furniture. Same process, click on the given link and then make sure to look up what they are asking and then take a screenshot of that and then upload it as proof that you really went on the website and looked the furniture up. Anyway, same process for all. At this point, you should be able to complete 4 feedbacks, 3 problems, and then mark 1 as important, which is very crucial. Then, they're just gonna ask you to review their feedback one last time and then click on Finish Mission. Now, to sign up for a worldwide account, just click on Start Earning Money and then provide all the sign-up details being asked of you. Also, keep in mind that you sign up, right? You get a sign-up bonus of €2. So if you don't want to miss out on that, then make sure you sign up properly. And that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one.